Come in.
Man, babe, I don't know what type of beat I should make. I'm kind of beat blocked.
I don't know, baby. Maybe you should make a cute type beat.
You're right, but how do we do that?
Let's go on YouTube and find some inspiration. Cute songs to help you go with depression.
Oh my gosh.
It's kind of cute, like this. It's like really gentle and like soft. It's so cute.
You want to help me make it? Alright. Taking the red pill for today's video.
Who?
Me. I mean, blue pill. Something like that.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that one sounds cute.
So a little too high. You sound so good.
I'll do this. Oh my god, the limiter is on. Sorry,
What
that's
is that?
it's like a producer joke. You wouldn't get it.
Why did you say it?
Cause
Oh, lo-fi.
that sound lo-fi?
Oh my gosh, I like it so much.
Yeah, they make all their stuff really wet.
What?
Yeah, it's called wet.
Oh. I hear it wet. I hear it, it's wet.
Okay.
There's so many loud sounds. I'm making music. Could they still hear us?
Yeah, they can still hear us.
Even though it's so loud?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Cold on the beat, boy.
Who are these? Whose tags are these? Did you title it that?
No, I didn't title it that. Why?
Oh,
You trying to cancel me?
no. It's like my ASMR.
Does it sound like ear candy to you? Does it sound like Hello Kitty candy to you?
It's like ASMR. It's like wrecking my brain good.
Let's redo it, babe. You wanna play it?
No,
Here, touch it.
I don't know what to do.
Just touch all the black keys.
Why? You don't have a tune though.
Try it. Come on, babe. Come on. Okay. Let's record that.
I don't know if that was good.
It doesn't matter.
Why?
Let's try it. Let's try it.
I'm bad, baby.
I'm gonna keep that.
No! No, it sounds so bad. No, please.
I'll put it on beat.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good, babe. You just made a beat.
Really?
Yeah.
My camera shut off mid-video. So here is the final product. Shout out to my girlfriend for being in this video. I love you, Haley.